Samsung A24 review. What you need to know before you buy. Samsung has recently launched its new budget-friendly smartphone, the Samsung A24. The phone's a great option for those who are looking for a device that offers a good balance between price and performance. The smartphone features a traditional flat shape with two glossy panels and a matte frame. The 6.5-inch screen uses a 1080p Super AMOLED panel with a 90Hz refresh rate, which is a nice treat for this price bracket. The display is fluid and responsive, making it ideal for gaming and streaming. The camera department of the Samsung A24 is impressive too. A 50MP OIS primary is on the back, assisted by 5MP ultra-wide and 2MP macro cams. There is a 13MP selfie shooter too. The camera quality is decent and the phone is capable of capturing good quality images in well-lit conditions. Samsung A24 is powered by the Helio G99 chipset, which isn't the fastest chipset in the market, but is capable of handling everyday tasks with ease. The phone comes with 128GB of internal storage and 4GB of RAM, which is more than enough for most users. The Samsung A24 is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, which is impressive for a phone in this price range. The battery life is excellent, and the phone can easily last for a day on a single charge. The Samsung A24 runs on Android 13 with the latest One UI 5.1. The software is clean and easy to use, and the phone comes with a range of pre-installed apps. The Samsung A24 is priced at $174 for the 128GB and 4GB RAM variant. It's an affordable phone that offers a good balance between price and performance. It's a great budget-friendly smartphone. The phone has a decent camera, a fluid display, and excellent battery life. If you're looking for an affordable phone with good features, the Samsung A24 is worth considering.